you guys? So as you can see by the title, this will be a collaboration featuring Sogoodhair. They did send me their 5x5 20-inch pre-plucked, pre-bleached curly wavy unit, and this is how it's looking. I didn't put any product in this hair. The wig looks so good without anything in it. At first I was thinking about doing some mousse or like just spraying some water in it, but after I washed it and just let it air dry, like the waves naturally are just in this unit, and it's all the way through this unit. So I really like how this is looking. So as you guys can see by the unit, it is pre-bleached and the parting is pretty deep. Again, it is a 5x5, so like I say, I do know how to finesse a look. You can do a middle part, and I do believe you can do an updo look with this unit, but this hair is so beautiful. I just wanted to keep it down and do a middle part so you guys can see all the waves in this hair. Y'all, this hair is so gorgeous. You will also see that it comes with 4 combs. It comes with 2 combs on the side, 1 in the middle, and then you also will see an adjustable strap, which is for that extra security. Really love those. And then you'll also see another comb at the bottom by the adjustable straps that already come on the unit. So this unit is customized for your security. I do like how the company does really care about the hair being very secure on your head. So no, not only do you have the adjustable straps, you have the adjustable strap that they also put on the unit for you as well. So before we get into this video, you guys, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and go ahead and hit your post notification bell so you don't miss an update every time I post. You guys, so let's just go ahead and get into the details on this hair. So the first thing that I really liked about this hair is that the lace blends are really good. Like I stated, you guys, this hair is pre-bleached and it is also pre-plucked. So this also just gives me like an idea, like I need to start maybe bleaching my lace, because I never bleached the lace. I just blended with my foundation. But seeing this, like, it looks so good. It makes me really want to go ahead and, you know, bleach like the lace, because before I even put foundation on it, you guys, like I didn't even need the foundation at all, but that's just my thing. So yeah, it blends really good, and even with the foundation it blends even more. So just to let you guys know, you do not need to blend this unit. This hair comes pre-bleached. As far as the baby hairs go, you guys, you can do the baby hairs however you want to. This wig is customized so good, you guys. Like, you could just pull these babies out and go ahead and lay them down. Like you guys seen, I do braid my my extra hair out just to go ahead and make sure the baby hairs are laid and it's out the way. Now I did do some minor plucking just because it did come pre-plucked, but I did just want to pluck it just a little more so you guys could see the middle part just a little more, and it did really good. I didn't even have to pluck too much though, so just in case you guys want to still pluck, you don't have to do too much. And if you're doing it on a mannequin, definitely definitely be careful, because when you have those wigs that are already pre-plucked and you're plucking, sometimes you may pluck too much. So just go ahead and just take out just a few hairs and then you'll be just fine. And the good thing about this unit is they already did like most of the work, which is like pre-plucking and it's pre-bleached. So those are big steps like already in the wig, so you don't have to do too much when it comes to that. Another thing I really like about this unit, you guys, is that there was no shedding and there was also no tangling with this unit. And literally when I put my hands through this unit, I'm not getting any type of shedding. And then also, as you can see, you're not getting any tangling either. And I didn't put any product in this hair either, you guys. That's another thing, because like, look at this unit. You don't need to literally put anything in this unit. Now, if you want to do something to where you like want to like, I don't know, make it just a little like flatter maybe and define the waves, the curls, you could definitely go ahead and do that if you want to. But I'm telling you right now, if you let the wig air dry after you wash it, you're gonna get this naturalness and you really don't need it. This unit is also giving me a yaki texture feel, and y'all know how I feel about my yakis. I do love how the hair feels. There also is not a lot of shine in this unit, which is also good in this unit. It makes the hair look so much more natural. And let's not forget, you guys, the security on this wig is perfect. It's like 100%. Like I told you guys, it comes with an adjustable strap. First of all, when you already have that adjustable strap on there, like, you won't have any issues. Like, seriously, having that adjustable strap on there and being able to just put it on your head, that's like half the battle. So if you want to go ahead and adjust the extra straps that already come on the unit, yeah, you can do that. But that adjustable straps, it really helps. So I went on ahead and adjusted the straps to how I wanted it to be. And the wig is secure. I'm like telling you guys, it's really secure right now. So whether you're a big head girl, small head girl, you won't have any issues. And this is the boxing of the unit, you guys. It says Sogoodhair. It came in this type of packaging. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. So it did come with another adjustable strap. They is not playing, you guys. They are not playing. Like, I can appreciate this. Another adjustable strap you can put on the unit, a edge brush, and then also some tweezers. So that is perfect. Giving you some wig caps, then an edge scarf to lay down those edges. It says Sogoodhair on it. This is so pretty. This is a pretty color. And then they also give you a bonnet. Okay, yes. Check it out. I love this packaging. Yes, you could tell when a company really cares, like really cares about your hair, cares about how you look. Like, they're giving everything, like the bonnet, okay, the edge brush, the extra security. They're giving it all, okay? You can get this unit off of sogoodhair.com. Again, I have the 20-inch undetectable lace, which means you won't be able to see the lace at all, which is very true. The lace blends very well. Pre-bleached, like I want to tell you guys to make sure you know it is pre-bleached. And this unit is $261. Do I think that is worth that? Yes, because first of all, the wig is pre-bleached. Like, come on now. They're actually helping you out, so you don't have to do so much. Like, they really care, and you could tell. So, like, I don't have anything bad to say about this unit, you guys. Like, this is like a get up and go wig. It's pre-bleached, you know, tangling, no shedding. So most definitely it's worth the price. And I do believe this is between 130 and 150% density. And this is very full. So you're definitely getting that fullness as well. So this wig does range from a 16-inch to a 28-inch. So if you feel like this is too short, you could definitely go ahead and get a 28-inch. And if you feel like you want to do a shorter look, you can go up to a 16-inch. So you definitely have that range. You can go from a 130% density to, I believe, 180% density. So you have those choices as well. And then it also lets you pick your cap size on the website. So you guys, you have so many choices when you go on this website. Like, they're gonna take care of you, trust me. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video, you guys. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit that post notification bell so you don't miss an update whenever I post. Like this video, comment below, and let me know what you guys think of this unit. Share, and I will see you guys in my next one.